He's kind of giving me a Ghostbusters enemy vibe. Oh, look at him. He's done. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, so close. So close. So I was on Daisy Lee's live last night. And I had already had on the printer the Scarecutie from STL Flicks. And then Daisy showed us a big one. And that little thing inside my head that goes, I gotta see if I can print it bigger than Daisy Lee. I think I did. I think I got it bigger than Daisy Lee. Now this is printed out of Conjure tricolor. So it's a green, red, blue. So you get like an orangey color too, and you get a purple. And how cool is that, huh? Now I did print him with a 0.6 nozzle, so he's a little rough because of the 0.6 nozzle. But other than that, he turned out awesome. Will he stand back like that? Oh, oh no! But he does stand. That's the important thing. So it's a Scarecutie from STL Flicks. I blew him up 500% and run him on the SVO8, and he turned out awesome. It's a file that you do have to have a membership to download from STL Flicks.